Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. This is how to remove marketplace in Messenger. So to do this process, first is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Facebook, and now here you could just simply go to the menu at the top right corner of the screen. And now once you are here, select the gear icon on the top right corner as well on the search icon. And right after that, over here, you could just simply scroll down. And now, here, guys, on the Preferences tab, you should be able to see a top bar. So tap on it. And from here, you will have Customize the bar. And guys, this is the best option that you could have, which from here, you will have the Marketplace. Select on that, and you will have an option to hide your marketplace over here. So guys, there are no direct way to remove marketplace in your messenger, but somehow you will have a feature on the Facebook that you could hide the marketplace, and pretty much this is all you can do to do this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.